As a photographer who's worked primarily in the field of photojournalism, capturing unique moments is really important to me. And the idea is that you're trying to photograph something that is fleeting or momentary or only reveals itself in the briefest of time. It's actually quite an advanced technique and something you'll probably need to work on for a long time to master. But it's important to know about it now and start looking for moments, because once you're able to start capturing them, it will really start to take your photographs to the next level. At the moment though, let's just look at some examples so you can get an idea about what I mean when we talk about what constitutes an interesting moment. For me, photographing emotions is one of the most satisfying things you can capture in your photographs, because the simple expression of a smile or a laugh or even a tear can take your photograph to a new level of emotional impact on the viewer. People are expressing their emotions all around us, and you just need to be ready with your camera to try to capture them. When you're out with your camera, always be alert to what is happening around you and try to anticipate when people are going to reveal their emotions. In this image I took in the South Pacific, I saw this puddle on the ground and positioned my camera really low to get the reflection in the frame. And luckily this boy was running past and I was able to freeze the moment and make a dynamic and quite interesting image. So when you're next out photographing, make sure to keep your eyes open for moments, both in terms of the emotions that you see from people around you and in the fleeting moments that are actually happening all the time in daily life just around us. Challenge yourself to try to capture those moments. It's not easy, but the more you practice looking for them and trying to capture them, the better you'll become at it and your pictures will improve.